Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and stay at home. Students, I welcome you again in grade 6. So, today we are going to start our second part of our chapter, that is more on Windows 7. Dear students, till now we was discussed about that introduction of the Windows Media 7 and what is the meaning of Windows 7, what is the meaning of Windows Player and its history, and what is the way to copy the CD, and next one is the how we can copy data to our CD. So today we are going to start our second session on the more on Windows 7. So Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment. These additional programs are known as accessories like calculator, notepad, window media player, sound recorder, etc. So students, Windows 7 is an operating system for personal computer made by a Microsoft that will be launched in October 2009. Windows 7 that replaced Windows Vista as a Microsoft newest operating system. Windows 7 is better than Windows Vista in terms of a user friendliness, its stability and its functionality. So in today's life, Microsoft Windows plays a very important role. So Microsoft Windows run on roughly 90% of all personal computers. Here Windows 7 is the most recent version of the Windows that provides a high quality of a graphical user experience, and it can support all types of computer activities from business applications to a video games to a multimedia products, etc. Windows 7 also supports all types of computer activities and it is available in different computing needs. Now here is our next topic, that is the displaying two windows at a time. We can also display two application windows side by side. Here in this slide we can easily see in a picture that one side there is a open MS Word and on the other side Internet Explorer one by one. So the PowerPoint window is activated at present. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. In the Windows 7, both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Here in the one window we can done our work on the MS Word, and on the second side that is Internet Explorer. If we can click on the Internet Explorer, we can find out many things as we want. So that Windows 7 also focuses on displaying two windows at a time. Our next one is the disk management. If you want to remove the number of unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up your disk clean and help to your computer to run faster, there is another important feature of the Windows 7 is the desktop. Here this is the picture of a desktop. Desktop contains the various types of icons, and icons contains different types of files and folders. Desktop icon includes four components. First one is the computer, second one document, third one is the recycle bin, and fourth one is the Internet Explorer. Our first one is the computer. So computer plays a very important role in today's life. We all are totally depend upon a computer. Our second one is the documents. So dear students, document is a file created by a software application. Document refers to all types of saved files. Document contains text, images, audios, videos and other types of data. So next one is the recycle bin. When you delete a file or a folder in Windows, then it is placed in recycle bin. So items are temporarily stored in the recycle bin before they are permanently deleted by the user. So the recycle bin is located on Windows desktop. Our next one is that these are the basic features which are included in the Windows 7. It contains various types of folders like computer, documents, pictures, music, help and support, control panel, shutdown, etc. So by clicking on these icons, we can easily operate our Windows 7. Our Windows 7 also includes screensaver. It allows you to set a screensaver and its time interval. So a screensaver is a picture or an animation that covers your screen and appears when your computer is set for idle and to set a period of time. Second one is the Windows themes. It allows you to set a theme for Windows which includes various types of icons, backgrounds, etc. So in the window themes you can also put your photos of folders, etc. It also includes change desktop icons, change mouse pointer, display setting, sound settings, etc. With the help of Windows 7, you can watching internet TV using Windows Media Center. Here, watching TV, movies and other video content on your PC is the easier than ever. So with the cable connection, we can watch the shows using a Windows Media Center. With the help of Windows 7, we can also make Windows Movie Maker, photo galleries, etc. In the concept of photo gallery, we can explore various types of pictures. So in pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images, graphical files, etc. If we want to open these pictures, then we have to click on the start button and then select the pictures. Now by click on a picture to select it and double click on it to preview. So students, in today's life, Windows 7 Media plays a very important role and it consists of the various types of features which helps in our today's life.